Hello students, next problem, problem number 11, T section. Dimension is given 200 into 200 into 20. I'll read the problem first. So the problem states find the moment of inertia of a T section 200 mm into 200 mm into 20 mm about the centroidal axis. So we have to find moment of inertia about both centroidal axes, x, I, x, x as well as I, y, y. So the given dimension is 200 into 200 into 20. This is overall width, this is overall depth, and this is thickness throughout. So this is 200 overall width, this will be also 200 overall depth, and thickness is 20. So this is thickness over here 20, and this web thickness will be also 20. So this is the diagram, 200 by 200 into 20. So first we need to find y bar. Y bar is equal to a1 y1 plus a2 y2 upon total area. Because we have two rectangles, rectangle number 1 and rectangle number 2. That's why a1 y1 plus a2 y2 upon total area. Now we will find the values and substitute. So a1, a2, total area. a1 is how much? 200. This thickness is 20. So 200 into 20. 200 into 20. So this will be 4000 millimeters square. A2 will be how much? Now this is overall depth. So depth of web will be 200 minus 20, that is 180. So this is 180. Depth of web is 180 and thickness is 20. So 20 into 180. 3600 millimeter square. Total area will be sum of these two, 4000 plus 3600, that is 7600 millimeter square. Now y1 and y2, how much will be y1 and y2? y1 from bottom, I am making one axis over here, reference axis. This is the reference axis passing from bottom till G1. This is centroid of rectangle 1, G1, and this will be the center of this rectangle where the diagonals meet, G2. So y1 will be from bottom to G1. So bottom till here is 180, 180 plus 20 half. So y1 I will calculate here. y1 is equal to 180 plus 20 half. 180 plus 20 half. So it is 190 millimeter. Similarly, y2 will be how much? y2 will be equal to, from bottom to G2. So bottom, this is rectangle of 180, height depth is 180, so it will be half of 180. y2 will be half of 180. 180 by 2, that is 90 millimeter. So I have all the values. Now I'll substitute and get the value of y bar. So a1 is 4000, y1 is 190 plus a2 is 3600, y2 is 90, total area is 7600. So on solving this, y bar will be equal to millimeters. How much millimeters will calculate here? Open double bracket, numerator in bracket, 4000 into 190 plus 3600 into 90, close the bracket, divide, open the denominator bracket, 7600, close double bracket, 142.63. 142.63 is y bar. So I have got y bar. Now I go for Ixx calculation to find Ixx. Ixx will be Ixx1 plus Ixx2. Parallel access theorem will apply over here. So this will be Ig1 plus A1 H1 square plus Ig2 A2 H2 square. Now substituting the values. Ig will be moment of inertia about centroidal x-axis of this first rectangle. So it will be BD cube by 12. I will put one more step plus A1. H1 will be y bar minus y1 the whole square plus sign. Similarly, Ig2 will be again BD cube by 12 plus A2 y bar minus y2 the whole square. So B and D will be of first rectangle. B is 200, D is 20. Area we have calculated. Y bar and y1 is also available. So we'll get this bracket. Here B and D will be, B is how much? 20 and D is how much? 80. Area A2 is there, y bar and y2. So I am substituting the values. First rectangle, B is 200, D is 20. 200 into 20 cube divided by 12 plus A1 is how much? 4000. Y bar minus y1. Y bar is 142.63 minus y1 is 190 whole square. This is the first bracket plus BD cube by 12 of second rectangle. B is 20, D is 180. 20 into 180 cube divided by 12 plus area A2 is 3600. Y bar minus y2 142.63 minus y2 is how much? 90 square. This is the second bracket. 20 to 180 cube divided by 12 plus A2 is 3600 y bar minus y2. Now we'll solve this answer over here and this answer and we'll add these two answers to get the final Ixx in millimeter raised to 4. So I am solving first bracket, first square bracket. Open double bracket, numerator 200 into 20 cube. Numerator is over, close the bracket, divide by denominator in another bracket 12. Close double bracket plus 4000 into bracket 142.63 minus 190, close the bracket, the whole square, close double bracket. (9.1 into 10 raised to 6). I got this answer as 9.1 into 10 raised to 6. This first bracket. Next, open double bracket. 20 into 180 cube divided by 12 plus 3600 into 142.63 minus 90 the whole square. So this I got 19.69 into 10 raised to 6. 19.69 into 10 raised to 6. Okay, now adding these two, answer plus 9.1 into 10 raised to 6. So 28.79 into 10 raised to 6. This is the answer of IX6. Now, I need to calculate IYY. For calculating IYY, similarly to I section, how we have calculated IYY1 plus IYY2. H will be 0 because it is symmetrical about vertical axis. So x bar minus x1, x bar minus x2 will be 0. So directly we will put dv cube by 12. Moment of inertia of a rectangle about y axis is dv cube by 12, and again dv cube by 12. This dnb of first rectangle, this dnb of second rectangle. So I am substituting the values. First rectangle, d is 20 and b is 200. 20 into 200 cube divided by 12 plus second rectangle, d and b. D is 180, b is 20. 180 into 20 cube divided by 12. So you can solve this in one shot also, or you can short in partially. So I will solve this. 20 into 200 cube divided by 12, close the bracket, double bracket close, plus open double bracket, 180 into 20 cube divided by 12, close double bracket. So I got this 13.33 into 10 raised to 6. We'll solve this once again, this separately. 20 into 200 cube divided by 12. 13.33 into 10 raised to 6, yes. 13.33 into 10 raised to 6 plus 180 into 20 cube divided by 12. 120 into 10 raised to 3. I'll add these two. Answer plus 13.33 into 10 raised to 6. So I got 13.45 into 10 raised to 6. 13.45 into 10 raised to 6 millimeter raised to 4. This is the value of IYY. So this T section was similar to I section. For IXX you have to use parallel axis theorem to get IXX. For IYY you have to use dv cube by 12 to get your IYY. So this was the problem of T section. Hope the problem is clear. Thank you.